Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Spline AI three-dimensional generator. So if you want to create AI-generated three-dimensional objects from text prompts or images without doing complex modeling, this guide will walk you through everything step by step in 2026. First, sign into Spline and open the AI generation section. Yeah, you can access it either from your dashboard or directly inside the editor using the AI button on the toolbar. Next, type a prompt describing the object you want to create. For example, you could write something like futuristic gaming chair or modern desk lamp. The AI will use your description to generate different design variations. You can also upload an image instead of using only text. Spline supports image to three-dimensional generation, so the AI can analyze a reference image and turn it into a three-dimensional model. Once the AI finishes, you'll usually get multiple preview options. Review the generated versions and choose the one that looks closest to what you want before creating the final model. Now customize the generated object inside the editor. You can change colors, materials, lighting, scale, and positioning to make the design look more polished and unique. Next, if you want, add animations or interactive effects. You can create hover effects, movement, and clickable interactions without writing code. Once everything looks good, export or publish your project. Spline lets you share your design online, embed it into websites, or use it in creative projects. Quick tip: use simple prompts when you're starting out. Spline's AI usually creates cleaner results when you focus on a single object instead of describing an entire complex scene. And that's basically it. You now know how to use the Spline AI three-dimensional generator in 2026. Hopefully this guide helped you start creating amazing AI-generated models faster and easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.